Once upon a time in a quaint, picturesque village named Willowbrook, there lived a young woman named Rimi. She was known throughout the village for her radiant smile and unwavering appreciation for the value of life. Rimi had faced her fair share of challenges. At a young age, she had been diagnosed with a serious illness that doctors believed would limit her lifespan. But instead of letting despair consume her, Rimi chose to see each day as a gift. She spent her time exploring the beauty of nature, painting vibrant landscapes, and cherishing every sunrise and sunset. Her positive outlook on life inspired those around her. Friends, family, and even strangers found solace in her words and presence. Rimi's simple yet profound belief that life was a precious, fleeting gift resonated with everyone. One chilly autumn afternoon, Rimi was sitting by the river, sketching the golden leaves falling from the trees. A young boy named Ethan approached her, tears in his eyes. He explained that he had lost his beloved pet dog, Max, earlier that day. Rimi listened intently and gently reassured Ethan that Max's spirit would always be with him. She then shared a story of her own childhood pet, a canary named Sunny, who had brought her immense joy and taught her to appreciate life's beauty. Rimi reminded Ethan that the love and memories they shared with their pets were priceless and would stay with them forever. Ethan left that encounter with a newfound sense of hope and gratitude for the time he had spent with Max. He promised to honor his dog's memory by embracing life as Rimi did, with appreciation and love. As the years passed, Rimi continued to live her life to the fullest, despite her health challenges. She traveled, made new friends, and shared her wisdom with everyone she met. She had a remarkable ability to find beauty in the simplest of things, like the first snowfall of winter or the laughter of children playing in the park. Rimi's story became a legend in Willowbrook, a testament to the enduring value of life, no matter how short or filled with obstacles it may be. Her message of hope and appreciation for each day still resonates, reminding us all that every moment is a treasure worth cherishing. As the years went by, Rimi's influence extended far beyond the village of Willowbrook. Her story, shared by those she had touched, inspired people all over the world. Strangers from different corners of the earth traveled to meet her and hear her words of wisdom. Rimi's small cottage in Willowbrook had become a hub for pilgrims seeking guidance on the value of life. Her artwork gained international acclaim, and her paintings were displayed in galleries worldwide. The vibrant colors and intricate details of her work reflected the depth of her appreciation for life's beauty. Each brushstroke seemed to convey a message of hope and gratitude. Rimi's health remained fragile, but she continued to defy the odds. Her resilience and unwavering love for life left doctors astonished, and they couldn't explain how she managed to surpass their predictions. One summer, a renowned author named Amelia visited Willowbrook to meet Rimi. Amelia had heard about the woman whose simple yet profound outlook had changed the lives of countless individuals. She spent days talking to Rimi, capturing her life story and philosophy in a book that she titled, The Art of Living, Rimi's Journey. The book became an instant bestseller, and Rimi's message reached even more people. Letters and emails poured in from readers who had been inspired to change their perspectives, live in the present, and find joy in the smallest of moments. Rimi's impact had gone global, making her a symbol of resilience and the value of life. As she continued to live each day with grace and purpose, Rimi's presence in Willowbrook remained a source of inspiration. Children would visit her to hear her stories, and she would teach them to plant trees, release fireflies, and dance in the rain, reminding them to treasure the world around them. Rimi's own journey eventually came to an end, but her legacy lived on in the hearts of all those she had touched. The village of Willowbrook erected a memorial in her honor, and her paintings were preserved in a museum to be admired by generations to come. Rimi's story became a reminder that the value of life lies not in its length, but in the depth of our appreciation and the positive impact we can have on others.